Restoration journey. The restoration of this remarkable Samba Microbus is a testament to the dedication and attention to detail put into bringing it back to its former glory. It underwent a comprehensive refurbishment that revitalized both its mechanical components and its aesthetics. The vehicle underwent disassembly, allowing for meticulous metalwork and body repairs. The restoration extended to entire drivetrain and interior as well. Notable features of this restored Samba Microbus include a tan fabric sunroof, chrome hubcaps adorning white finished steel wheels that harken back to its vintage charm. From basket case to showpiece, this meticulous restoration of this 1959 23-window Type 2 Samba Volkswagen bus with unique features and impeccable craftsmanship is a testament to the enduring legacy of Volkswagen's iconic Type 2 buses. What the heck is a semaphore? One distinctive feature that sets the Samba Microbus apart is its equipped semaphore turn indicators. These unique indicators, often seen in vintage European vehicles, are mechanical devices that use two pivoting arms to communicate the driver's intention to turn or change lanes. When activated, the semaphore arms extend outward from the sides of the vehicle, providing a visual signal to other drivers on the road. Turn signals. Fun. Back in the 60s and still now, owning and driving a Samba bus is all about fun and adventure. Whether it's embarking on road trips, camping in scenic locations, or attending vintage car rallies, the Samba evokes a sense of joy and nostalgia. Its sociable interior layout encourages conversation and camaraderie among passengers, fostering memorable moments and lifelong friendships. And speaking of fun, check out this special key to unlock the gas cap and the engine compartment. Passenger capacity. The Samba bus stands out not only for its exceptional passenger capacity but also for its compact size. In today's automotive landscape, finding a vehicle that can comfortably seat 9 passengers is a rarity, typically limited to full-size passenger vans. However, the Samba defies expectations by offering such a spacious interior within its relatively small frame. Its wheelbase, compared to modern vans, may seem modest, yet the clever layout and efficient use of space allow room for 3 rows of seating to accommodate 9 adults.